When you sing the name of the Lord with complete devotion, the heart dances with inner happiness. Divine love transforms sorrow into sweetness, like poison turning to nectar. True joy is not found in worldly pleasures but in surrendering your heart to the divine. Love for God fills the soul with bliss that no material possession can ever provide. The more you remember the Lord, the more your heart becomes free from worries. Constant remembrance of His name is the secret to unshakable joy. Love the Lord as a bride loves her beloved. This deep yearning purifies the soul, washing away pain and filling it with the ecstasy of divine union. Inner joy blossoms when you let go of pride and ego. The Lord enters only the humble heart, bringing peace that never fades. Singing bhajans from the depth of the heart connects you to God. Every note sung with love becomes a bridge to divine happiness. When you accept every hardship as the will of God, your heart learns to smile even in suffering. Surrender turns pain into spiritual sweetness. A heart drunk with divine love no longer craves worldly recognition. Joy comes from the Lord's glance, not from society's praise. Loving God is the highest wealth. All other riches fade, but this treasure stays with you forever, filling every moment with bliss. The Lord's name is like cool water in a desert. Keep chanting, and your soul will never thirst for worldly pleasures again. Dance for the Lord as if no one is watching. The body may tire, but the soul becomes lighter with every step taken in divine love. Do not measure love for God with rituals alone. True devotion lies in a heart longing for Him day and night. Even in loneliness, you are never alone when you love God. His presence fills the heart so completely that solitude becomes sweet. A heart full of divine love glows like a lamp in darkness. Wherever you go, that joy spreads silently to others. Loving God is the highest form of freedom. No chains of society can bind the soul that dances in His love. Tears shed for God are not of sorrow but of bliss. Every tear washes away impurities, leaving the soul sparkling with joy. True devotion is loving God without asking for anything in return. When love is pure, happiness flows naturally. The world may call you mad, but being mad in divine love is the sweetest madness that fills life with eternal happiness. Inner joy blooms when you forget yourself in God's love. Selflessness is the key to experiencing His divine presence. The name of God is a soothing song that heals every wound. Keep singing, and even grief turns into a companion of joy. When the heart is fully surrendered, God Himself takes care of your worries. Joy comes from trusting His will completely. Be like a flute in the hands of the Lord. Let Him play His music through you, then life becomes a song of bliss. Devotion is the sweetest drink. The more you drink, the more thirsty you become, and in that thirst lies unending happiness. Do not fear criticism when you follow the path of love. People may mock you, but divine love will fill you with unshakable bliss. Joy comes when you love God for who He is, not for what He gives. Pure love knows no bargaining. Divine love teaches patience. Wait for Him like a lover waiting for the beloved. This longing itself becomes blissful. Accept every moment as His gift. Gratitude to God, even for small things, brings deep inner happiness. A heart soaked in divine love sees God in every being, making life a constant celebration of love. The sweetest moments are those spent in silent communion with God. No words are needed, the soul speaks directly to Him. Divine love makes you fearless. When God is your beloved, no worldly loss can disturb your inner peace. Live simply and keep your heart rich with love. Outer possessions matter little when the soul is full of divine joy. The more you love God, the lighter your heart feels. The burdens of life slowly disappear in His love. Dance and sing His name, not to show others, but to please Him. Joy flows when devotion is only for His eyes. Inner bliss comes when you stop complaining to God and start trusting His every decision as perfect. Love for God makes the harshest life sweet. Even poison tastes like nectar when accepted as His prasad. Keep the Lord as your closest friend. Share every joy and sorrow with Him, and you will never feel alone. Joy grows when you celebrate even others' happiness as God's blessings. Divine love makes your heart free from jealousy. The Lord listens to a heart full of love faster than to hundreds of rituals. Simplicity of heart brings true bliss. When you sing or pray with love, you feel as if the Lord Himself is smiling at you. That smile is pure joy. Every act done for the Lord becomes sacred. Cooking, walking, or working turns into a form of worship when done with love. Be patient in love for God. He tests those He loves the most. Every test purifies the heart and increases joy. Divine love makes even ordinary moments extraordinary. Every breath becomes precious when you live in His remembrance. Once you taste the sweetness of His love, worldly pleasures feel tasteless, and your heart dances in spiritual bliss. Love for God is the only love that never disappoints. His love is constant and eternal, filling you with deep contentment. Divine love removes fear of death. Knowing you belong to Him fills your heart with peace in every moment. True love for God is silent and personal. It does not need public display. The sweetest joys are hidden in secret devotion. Remembering His name while working keeps your mind calm and your heart happy, no matter how busy life gets. Do not compare your devotion with others. Love Him in your own way. That personal connection brings the deepest happiness. Seeing God in every face makes you love all beings. This universal love fills the heart with profound peace. Divine love teaches detachment. You live in the world but are not bound by it, which brings lasting inner joy. The Lord loves a pure heart more than any offering. Cleanse your heart with love, and happiness will flow naturally. A life lived for God is never wasted. Even a single tear shed for Him carries more joy than all worldly achievements. Surrender completely to Him. The moment you stop struggling and let Him guide you, your heart finds peace. End every day with gratitude to God. Sleeping with His name on your lips fills your dreams with divine joy. These are the teachings of Meera Bai, focused on inner joy through divine love. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.